Overnight oats are one of the easiest breakfasts you will ever make. Today I'm making 3 creamy, protein-rich recipes packed with superfood to prove that healthy doesn't mean boring. Let's build the base that works for all the 3 recipes. First up is 2 cups of rolled oats for a fiber-rich, slow-releasing complex carb that keeps you full for longer. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds packed with omega-3, plant protein, and healthy fats, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds for a light, nutty flavor and added nutrients, a dash of cinnamon for warmth and flavor, and a pinch of salt to balance everything and bring out all the flavors. For some extra crunch, fiber, and protein, I'm adding some peanuts and cashew nuts. They are quite large, so I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. That way, they will blend nicely into the oats without overpowering the texture. Give everything a good mix until it's well combined. This is the base mixture I'll use for all the 3 recipes. Now divide it into 3 equal portions or however many you're making depending on your serving size. The first jar will be banana chocolate flavored. Add in 1 mashed banana for natural sweetness and creaminess and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for a deep, rich chocolate flavor. Top with half a cup of my homemade natural yogurt that is full of gut-loving probiotics and protein. Then half a cup of fresh milk to loosen everything up and help the oats absorb overnight. To sweeten, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of raw honey, but you can use whichever sweetener you like or leave it out completely if you prefer. Mix until everything is well combined. The second jar is mango baobab. In goes half of a mashed mango for sweetness and a tropical flavor and 1 tablespoon of baobab powder for a vitamin C boost, its prebiotic fiber content, and a slightly tangy fruity taste. Top that with the same half a cup each of natural yogurt and fresh milk and the raw honey to sweeten just like we did in the first jar. I've linked the homemade yogurt recipe in the description box if you'd like to make yours at home. Mix until everything is well combined. The third jar is pineapple hibiscus. In with a few crushed pineapple pieces for natural sweetness and a juicy tropical flavor, and 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder for a bold, fruity tanginess and a beautiful color. Top with the yogurt, fresh milk, and honey to sweeten. You can use any flavor of yogurt that you like. I have a few recipes linked in the description. Mix until everything is well combined. Cover all 3 mason jars and pop them in the fridge overnight for the oats to soften, absorb the flavors, and turn into a thick, creamy pudding-like texture. The next morning, grab the jars ready to add the toppings. For the banana chocolate, I'm topping it with fresh banana slices for a beautiful, naturally sweet contrast to the rich chocolatey base, and dark chocolate shavings for richness and that extra indulgent bite. I'm using dark chocolate compound for its antioxidant and bittersweet finish, but any chocolate or chocolate chips work perfectly. Just use a knife to shave as much as you need in your desired sizes. For the mango baobab, I'm adding fresh mango slices for a burst of tropical sweetness and freshness, and a few sliced grapes for a juicy bite and extra antioxidant. With the toppings, use any fruits you like. This is your jar. Go nuts. For the pineapple hibiscus, add a few pineapple slices on top for freshness and that signature tropical bite, and a final dusting of hibiscus powder for a stunning jewel tone finish and extra antioxidant boost. You don't need to add all the toppings on the same day. You can add them on the day off as you eat. The jars keep beautifully in the fridge for up to 5 days and are perfect for a healthy breakfast meal prep. They are filling, nutrient-dense, and endlessly customizable. The kind of breakfast that actually keeps you going until lunch without needing a snack.